This is a video on A2Pure. We're in Unit 2, we're doing trigonometry and we're solving trig equations. So we were learning earlier on that we have a couple of trig identities involving cosec squared. So in this situation here we have two different identities with cosec and cot, and most of the time it's easier if we can get it in terms of 1. But we do know that cosec squared theta is the same as 1 plus cot squared theta. So I can change this straight for a 1 plus cot squared theta equals 3 plus cot theta. Rearranging this, so I would take everything over then to one side. It's a quadratic with cot, so I would have cot squared theta minus cot theta minus 2 equals 0. Factorizing that, I'm going to have cot theta and cot theta. Again, as ever, some people might want to change this out for an x or a t. That's totally fine. But in this case we are going to have plus 1 and minus 2. So what are our two values here? We have cot theta is minus 1 and we have cot theta equals to 2. If cot theta is minus 1, then tan theta is going to be minus 1 as well, 1 over minus 1, and then tan theta here is going to be a half. So let's see if we can get our answers in out for those. So we're between 0 and 2 pi here, which is a bit like 0 to 360. So let's get our diagrams drawn here. So we have C, A, S, T. Some people do the basic angle, so you can ignore the minus 1 and do second function tan, or tan to the minus 1 here. And if you do it of 1, you will get your basic angle then of 45. Of course, we want tan whenever it's negative, so it's going to be here. And it's going to be here. We're measuring between 0 and 2 pi, so that's 0, that's pi over 2, that's pi, that's 3 pi over 2, and then that's 2 pi. So what are my two angles here going to be? That's going to be 3/4 pi is one of my answers, so we'll have 3 pi over 4. And let me see then, is that going to be then 7 pi over 4? And for then this one here, which are my two answers in for that one. Whenever tan theta is a half, what are we going to get then from here? This one isn't going to work out nicely in terms of pi, but we can still suss this out. So let's get our basic angle then. If you can see this in the calculator, good reflection there. So we're going shift tan 0.5 equals radians, so that's 0.464 radians, and going there, so 0.464 C A S T. Where else is tan positive? It's going to be here, and so we want this angle, and we also then want this angle, so we're adding pi then to that, and that gives me 3.60 radians in for that one. So my two values in 0.464, can't see that, and 3.60. So my four different values then for what am I thinking about for theta, then I'm going to have, sorry, theta equals 0.464 radians, 3 pi over 4 radians, 3.60 radians, and 7 pi over 4 radians, which are my four solutions then to that.